Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start video calls or in general phone calls on WhatsApp using the WhatsApp application on your PC and on your laptop. So let us guide you through it. In the first step, launch the WhatsApp application, be it on your Windows 10 or 11 or on your laptop or Mac. And what you want to do guys is start or access one of your conversations and chats here to the left. And it works a little bit differently than on a mobile device, guys. What you will need to do is click into one of these buttons in the top right corner, either video call or phone call, depending on your preferred communication method. So let us go with video call. And if you're doing this for the first time, WhatsApp will ask you for permission to access your computer's microphone. So make sure that your microphone is connected with your computer, and you will also need to give WhatsApp the permission in your operating system by clicking into go to settings here. And here guys, in these applications, simply enable or give WhatsApp the permission to use your microphone. As you can see, it's not in English, it's in Polish for me, but you will find it when you click on that go to settings button. So enable WhatsApp, and that should do it guys. After that, simply start your phone call here and wait for your contact to pick up your call, and that's basically it. You may, for example, mute yourself here or turn off your camera, and also make sure, guys, that you that your webcam is connected with your computer, of course, and that you can properly use it. Otherwise, you will not be able to use it within your video calls. And phone calls will work actually the same way. Click into voice call here and wait for your contact to pick up your call, and that's it. Let me hang up and end the call, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.